After a power outage or brief power lapse, it's important to check that your LifeSource water system's timer is receiving power and set to correct time of day. To determine if the timer is receiving power, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Remove the system cover by loosening the two side bolts. Step 2. Swing the panel out from the center. Step 3. Lightly place your finger on the gray clock located in the back of the panel. If the clock is warm, it is receiving power. If the clock is cold, double check that your system is plugged in and that there is power to the outlet. Unplug your 24-volt transformer, double check the connections, and plug back in. The outlet may not be receiving power if the GFI has been tripped. In that case, you will need to push the reset button on the outlet. Finally, close the front panel, slide the cover back on, and tighten the side bolts. Have questions? Our expert service team is always here to help. To make a service appointment, visit lifesourcewater.com or call 800-334-5009.